gonna do a house tour. And we are in Kissimmee. And the place is
The place is Al's Place of Peace by the Mouse. It's an Airbnb in Kissimmee, Florida. So we're going to show you around. Ready?
Yeah, let's get started and not waste any time.
I do want to say that we have been here already for a couple of days, so nothing is perfect like it was before, but it's still pretty nice. So let's go inside. Come on, Soph.
It's hot out here.
And it's beautiful out here.
Yeah, and it's also hot. So here's the dining room.
There's plenty of seating.
Yep.
There's an extra chair.
There's also
there.
a chandelier. Here, let me put it on and show you what it's like. Like Christmas lights.
Yeah. And then over here we have the kitchen.
There is also another chandelier right next to the door. Chandelier, not chandelier.
And then because this is an Airbnb, most of your utensils, plates, cups, they already are provided, which is nice. There's a dishwasher, toaster, coffee maker.
Guess where I hide? That's where I hide.
Where do you hide, Sophie?
Here. It looks small, but it's actually big. Because it goes like straight and then over there.
Yeah, and then there's a little nook over here, which is nice. It's been nice to eat breakfast out here, looking at the sun.
Yep.
And the sunshine and the warmth come through.
Let's go show you my nap room.
There's a laundry room with a washer and dryer in here.
Well, usually I don't really take naps. That's usually where I lay down and play there. This is like kind of my playroom. It's like a nice closet. It's big.
Go ahead and open the closet.
Not that much fanciness. Just clothes and bags.
And then this is a trundle bed. The bed underneath pulls out. Those are drawers in the stairs.
Yeah, see?
Very neat. If we come this way,
Here's the living room.
there's the living room.
Really nice, and also the bed, not the bed, the couch also turns into beds.
Yep, all three couches
Turn
are
into bed.
the pull-out beds. So that's awesome. Give you additional sleeping.
Yeah, and here I'll show you my room where I made my bed. This is my room.
She made her bed.
I made my bed. Made my bed.
And Sophie's room.
Yep.
This is where she's been sleeping. Sophia,
Show
why
them the
don't
closet.
you show them the
Oh,
closet?
the closet? Yeah. It's really big. It looks like that there's one closet right here and one closet right there. But look.
Uh-oh, Sophie's disappearing.
Ha!
Ha-ha! And there's a nice nightstand with a lamp. The baby monitor is ours. Then the TV, which is a Roku TV.
Yeah.
You do have to have your own sign-ins for like Netflix and Hulu.
Yeah.
But it's still something nice to be able to watch.
Here's my own bathroom. I really like it. This is where sometimes I hang my bathing suits and my towels and my washcloths.
You've got the sink, and it came with like the little trial things
Yeah,
of
and
bar soap.
it also comes with soap. That's where it goes. And here's like my toothpaste and my toothbrush. I usually put my hair ties in here. So how you get them, you just take them off. And then you just dump it.
And then we have a linen closet here, which has some extra towels,
Yep.
washcloths, hand towels.
Yeah.
There's plenty of that stuff. Plus you have the washer and dryer if you need to wash things.
Here's like another room. And it's also another big closet, like my playroom. It's like another big closet. You can also hide in here if you're playing hide and seek.
Then this room also has the Roku TV.
Yep, and Mommy was trying to figure out how you turn on this light, and I turned it on her, and she was like, "How'd you turn that on?" And I was like, "That," and she was like,
figure it
"Oh."
out. All right,
That's also a touch lamp, but it's hard for me to turn off.
let's go this way into the master bedroom.
One door to go outside to the pool.
Here's Mommy and Daddy's room.
Sliding doors for the pool.
Here's Mom's and Dad's room. Here's their bathroom. It's so echoey. I really like this bathtub.
I'm gonna have to edit that out. You were supposed to show that first. And here's the bathroom.
Yep. I really love this bathroom.
It's a giant master bathroom, at least giant to us.
Watch me fake shower. La, 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 la.
You're so silly.
I don't really like
Really
this.
nice large bathtub.
I don't really like this because it's clear and everyone can see you.
Huge closet.
Yeah, you could definitely play hide and seek in here.
Oh yeah.
Or
It's an extra blanket. And then you have the toilet hidden away.
yes. Now let's show you the pool. Really
Here's-
cool.
Another set of sliding doors
Yeah.
to go
Or
outside.
sliding doors that fade all the time if you open them or close them. Show you the pool.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Yeah.
But gotta have it.
Here's the table. There's another chair that's supposed to go here, but it's over there. Here's the pool. There's 6 feet, and I love swimming in 6 feet. There's 4 feet. Don't really like swimming in 4 feet.
This pool is heated, but it does cost extra per day. At least while we were renting it, it does. But thankfully it's hot. It's pretty cold, but once you get used to it, it's
Anyways,
not too
this
good.
house is like really nice. It's been a nice place to stay at for the last few days. We are here for, baby's getting heavy. We are here for a couple of more days. But the place is clean, and that's definitely the most important thing. Don't want a dirty, nasty, bug-filled place, and it's not. So that's nice. The amenities, being able to use a pool, and the bathroom is gorgeous, and to be able to wash our clothes and stuff is nice. It's our first time staying in an Airbnb, and I'm not sure we're ever going to go back to a hotel. Definitely, even the cost is the same, similar. So yeah, some places are cheaper. It's definitely a nice option and something that we will continue to take advantage of. And we are thankful for Al renting out his place to us. Anyway, so we hope you enjoyed
Our
this one part of our
house tour.
house tour. We will have more coming of our little staycation type deal. Our little staycation vacation, because we're not really doing anything, but still nice to get out, get away from Indiana, have
Yeah.
some warmth, some sunshine, because that weather was
little
killing
babe,
us.
she's
I'll
trying to
never
curl
go
her
back.
hair.
Caught you.
Got you, Lily. Of course, it's not on. It's not even plugged in. But yeah, she's trying to curl her hair. Just like Mom. Silly girl. Yes, you are. You're so silly. You're so silly.
here, watch this.
Anyway, so we hope that you enjoyed this house tour. There will be more to come. And we hope you guys catch us next time on Go With The Flow. Bye.